How to set up two-factor authentication on crypto.com. Hi everybody, if you want to do that, you can follow up the steps. So open up crypto.com in your device and you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now from here, at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding a settings. You can tap on it. Once you do, your settings opens up. Now from settings, scroll down, and when you do, you should be finding option called two-factor authentication under security. You can go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should be getting this option enable two-factor authentication with the toggle option. So go ahead and turn this option on from here. And when you do, here you will be finding a QR code with a 16-digit code as well. So you can either use a Google Authenticator or a similar app like Authy to set up a two-factor authentication. You can download any of them. After that, you can go ahead and scan the QR code or copy the code. So let's go with the copy code option. You can go ahead and copy the code by tapping on this clipboard option right here. Once you do that, you can open up the Google Authenticator app or the Authy app. And what you need to do is use the app in order to scan the QR code where you are enabling two-factor authentication. Just go ahead and tap on the scan QR code and go ahead and scan. Once you do that, you can either use a scanner or enter a key. We can go ahead and enter the key that we just copied from clipboard. Go ahead and paste it in this section. After that, tap on save. And once you do that, you should be finding this interface. So you can just go ahead and copy and paste it. After that is done, it will start setting up the two-factor authentication onto your device. You can proceed to verify. And then after the verification is completed, you can use the code generated by your application in order to access the application. So that is it. That is how you set up two-factor authentication in crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.